Hello my people, how una dey? This social media not the way we no go hear o. I be the thing say this obo with yes wife matter don close o. For we I be like say na night start o. More na lis ten wetin obo talk. Obo say him ex wife don marry almost many times o. No be the first time wey e be say dey marry o. Make I put the video for una, make una watch, make una lis ten for the make una lis ten for the make una lis ten by una sef as obo take dey talk am. Nothing wey musa no go say. Una bye bye o.
To take this woman to public and disgrace her for her evil. Many of us for not even fall victim, and if we fall victim, we know say okay, now we just want to take risk. Owele Rose Hame has married to Ishama before, not friend though, married to Ishama before. Not be friend though. Owele Rose Hame has married to Igalama before, not be friend though, married. That is the man that they buy. I don't know how the man buy. Owele Rose has married to a Yoruba man before, and she has married to Igbo man more than 3 times. Now we will go. I will still give you more proof, but calm down very well and watch these pictures. Why she quickly tell police to wait for me, may not quick me enter house. Now document of marriage certificate, pictures, so many things when me no even know when they my house. Mostly marriage. This woman get marriage certificate enough for house. This woman get picture of weddings, traditional marriage enough. Not be the one where they don't date. In her life, in her 10-year life, she start to marry very early when she did for school. Reach tomorrow. I got nothing to do with her, but people should know who we are. Then I will start with the few ones I have here. As I talk, cannot be say now for math. I will any day when I see those pictures again, I will bring them back. Police have taken many away. Police don't take many away. This man either they call Gregory. This is the husband she was marrying when her father died. This one, when I put finger. That be the husband when they marry, not be friend though. This one is his senior brother. This one is his mama. This one is the brother when come that day. Now this Greg, now be husband, not be boyfriend though, husband. This is Greg, husband. Good. Now, where do we start from? Let's start from engagement. Rose go to register marriage deal. Just wait. Let's start from. This is the same Greg. And that is her mother, Rose mother. Okay, now let's go to engagement. This is your shower president. This is engagement too. They look kind if you know the same way. This is engagement. And we know say engagement not be married, but never hurry. We will look for the one. Now if I engage that man there, the man can't engage her, you know. You see, okay. Now we'll come now register marriage be that one no. You see where they sign register marriage, the man had come there her shoulder. The man was very happy. Okay, make we just see where the man they sign his own. Okay, now after they don't do that marriage finish and signing, they come, you know, the people when they give them the certificate. They give them the certificate. You can see the certificate. Okay. See witnesses when they sign. Witnesses. I don't know whether in a court or whatever, but you will see them very soon. This is when they give them. Okay, now this is outside where they can't go take picture. You can see federal marriage registry or something like that. But they cover the rest. You can read it by yourself. This is not what they call a Photoshop. That is for that too. Now we are going to the third one. This is the third one. Remember, say this man when you see when they sign, not being be this man who look and when not be me will tell you. The man when they sign just now. See, they can't go do traditional marriage. I mean, church marriage. Oh. So if you look behind now, you go see that woman when use white something cover tie head. Now him be rose, so now him be rose behind. So behind this one, now rose be down one William. So this is the husband with his bestie. Now let's bring these two pictures. Make you know what they talk. Oh. I hope you know. Say her look here, not being be this look here. Oh. It's a different man. There's no doubt about it. This is a different man. Oh. You see how she look here. Then I'll show you how she look when she do the other man. You see the difference is clear. You cannot compare these two pictures together. This one and this one. This one is many years back. This is many years after with different man. So this is them. This is church marriage. Oh. And in this church marriage, what I was showing you just now, the other one. In this church marriage, you see these people gather for back, including mobile police, a corporal. You see the rank. So people were gathering, taking pictures. She was there behind. Later, they now went to free press and take picture, walk away from the crowd. So you have three husbands here. In these three husbands, we are not talking about the Igala man. No. We are not talking about the Ishan man, no, not friend or marriage. And we are not talking about the Yoruba man. We are not talking about the Igbo man in Germany. We are not talking about lawyer. She married a lawyer before. Not be friend, married. None of her marriage has ever lasted 2 years. Say 2 years, no marriage. No, her marriage has never lasted over 2 years in her life. Her marriage has never lasted. This is the first time with my management that her marriage lasts 6 years. She has married over 10 husbands. Not be friend. I'm not telling you friend. If I can't friend. The husband, she said she married because of her brother. She said to me, she married one man, not be saying in one marrier. Say the man don't want the man don't they pursue one with marry, but they don't want marry. So the man he get South Africa connection. So her brother, her immediate younger brother, when he did South Africa, he not do drugs, so but they can't go allege and say nah, they set him up, so they can't put him for prison. And this man gets connection for South Africa. This man can say if he not marry, he not go use the connection to release the brother. He can't go marry the man, fast. Can't marry, not be say yeah marry. They go do marry. Brother still dey prison, no. They marry each other. Yeah, the man fly to South Africa. They settle police just like Africa, many like Nigeria, everything. They can't release in brother for real. But that day, the where he sleep for hotel, they can't set him up. Now this same man set him up. They can't steal her gold. According to her, good or fine. He no fit see any information to know say na the man, but in the suspect. So they can't come Nigeria. The marriage now not even last like everything when the man take go South Africa or they take marry everything not last 5 months. So when they can't reach Nigeria, now the man can't tell them the kind of business when you go fear and do when they'll come money made the fear and do. He can't give the man $50,000. But since na your husband, he can't still say they will sign. The man can't say I ain't go sign. Say no, you need to sign. Say not being get money. The man can't sign no. Now so that marriage take now so the man take disappear till tomorrow. That marriage not even last 5 months. Till tomorrow, he say the man run with her $50,000. But na marry, I be not be married. Na marry. All this one, you not tell me. All this one, no. Now later when he just talks, he never married before. And the one when he forced to marry because of his brother when they for prison, he carry him 50,000 wrong. You not tell me all this one, no. As police they pack things, I they see certificate, I they see different picture, I say I cannot explain this one because gullible fans will not believe. For me to talk with Matt, now insult they will insult their generation. I keep quiet. I say wait till I see that when police they pack something, when make this woman say fast, make it not quick me see her secrets. I see many nonsense. I keep quiet, but to God be the glory. I they look for my something, JJ. Now I say, gang. This one be like Rosso William. church marriage. Gang. This one be like federal whatever marriage. A gang. You are the best wife. So if you good, that me when never marry before. They say you know be you. You get one wife for US. Blah blah blah. If to say if you manage, make them check you here. Whether na the same year be this or the same day. Check this one. The bone when dey your neck when you take slim, with this one when your neck full and your face full. This is many years after. This one are many years after. Now be this one. I be picture said they lie. Registrar they lie. See your registrar. See picture after many years church marriage. Then I'll still show you where you dey behind though. You know, can't be say, you know, say your gullible fans will say, editor. See the man, oh. See the handsome man here, oh. Then look back, when she did use that white tie, something, use white tie head. You see police officer, corporal, when they snap picture, church marriage. Not be this same man, oh. See and well, oh. Not be this same man and not be 2-3 years interval. You can see the way she's like back here. You can see the way she like back here. And here, even with face and eyes, you can see. Many years later. Oh, this woman don't marry Ishama. He don't marry lawyer. Not be friend though, not be friend. He don't marry Ishama, he don't marry your lawyer. He don't marry rich three Igbos. The one when they jam me when she sees her warehouse. The same way he wanted to seize my house, now so he sees that man warehouse. So he not get the document of the man, but he still sees the man warehouse. Say the man will use and settle around for the time they stay for the marriage. He not sees document whole for warehouse for whether Mushin side. It's Ijesha say something like that. He not see one document whole like he see my whole, but he sees that warehouse. The way they trying the man, fear not let the man come Nigeria. Now me can release the warehouse to the man. After he marry me, many years he hold the warehouse. Now me can say when I say for what? If I allow you do this one to a man, you will do it to me also. The woman will do it to me. I say no. The court, everything when she say ready to go court. What you want go do for court now? No evidence. The man no marry you in court. Say me una share property. And not be you go decide property when you go take from the man if you no marry again. If I don't marry for court, they no marry for court. This is not the man. That is another man. He lives in Germany recently. Now that one he come out, enter me. Now me release that man warehouse. Rosame, I bet bring 2 of my pictures when I take do marriage. Because they say, if my marriage 1, 2, 3, they'll come, they can't woman for and say, nah, the man no good. But I can count 10 for you. The day when police come pack his picture and certificate when they park Jonah. Why you not marry the Ishan man? That one a long story. Ishan man, oh, he say, Didi. For the office? Yeah. Story why not marry Shaman, oh. I laugh. I say, I laugh. I say, so this woman just see me say I be mumu or just don't change my face. Why not marry Shaman? He talk one thing, maybe say I laugh na another day. I better make a rest. My people, I don't know say this woman don't marry before, but I don't owe anybody apology. Now inside marriage, when I don't do finish, now can they discover everything. And after this fight, now I can discover many with proof, with evidence. The one when I know, when he say they no marry, now he got la man, when spirit can they pursue. So when I come the date and spirit come they appear to me. Now only that one. He said they not pay that. I said, but they not pay that. They my house, man, they sponsor you for school. What he can remember? See, he mother no agree collect that because he said the man no go last. Me I no know say this woman marry. Me I be person when be say anything person tell me I they believe. I always believe you don't have reason to lie. But as an old advanced woman, I know she must have been in a relationship that didn't work. She must have been in marriage that didn't work. That is just my thinking. Because you can't tell me from beginning to this your stage, say you never try marriage, and she say na like she never try marriage. But when we come enter the marriage, I pay that finish. If I catch on something related, we say, now that one be one marry me. Be one marry you. I lawyer, I will catch on. If I see picture, she can't go hide all her picture. When I see picture, when I get her CB, this woman can never look for document when I'm at home. I always come and catch and say they look for document. Because something must reach something. I mean, I know the person when they go, they look for something behind you. They say me you not chook hand for nyash. If you chook hand for nyash, you go see waiting you they find will smell. Me, I don't want chook hand for her anus. I don't know say now woman when they rough. Let me build her to my taste. I don't want they go look for documents. Say she not they have. I never want they try her. But anytime when they come for outside or I travel, she don't know say they come. Now I go meet and say they look for documents. He will quickly come welcome me. Welcome me. I will welcome me out of the room. Out of the room, I welcome. Oh. My mind not even want to look for waiting I don't want to see. I know say one day it will be over. And it's over now. So if I come day where I meet and say they search for something, I don't want to come out. If I see some picture, you will just want to tear them for my friends. I say, don't tear it. It's a memory to keep. He say, no. Now the Ishaman will be one marry me. Will be one marry you. But the way this picture be now, anyone be one marry you. Waiting happen when no marry you. You will tell me one kind of funny story. I can't see her with lawyer again. Now the lawyer when he be one marry me, he never thought he don't marry one day when he be one marry me. He married to an Igbo man who lives in Germany for many years. They were married, not be wanted to marry. The thing not work. They say he want kill papa. I say how? How you want to kill the Igbo man papa when my marriage not work? He say because the way the papa not agree. The papa making join Jehovah Witness. The papa make her change her mode of dressing. He say if he not change her, his son no marry him change her. The papa say he must enter Jehovah Witness when them be he enter. After the stress when papa give him, the papa say he not one time. After he don't convert to Jehovah Witness, convert to everything. So now he and the pikin can't agree. They can't marry. Now he can't talk. He present to one Yoruba man. That Yoruba man and his friend, they say they help man. They buy something for Germany. He can't tell the day when they go river, go put something for river, and the Yoruba man now escort and go river in the night, go put something for river for Germany. Oh. Now he can't tell the Yoruba man say for this marriage, he go show him papa shege. If he get waiting to kill him papa, he no man go kill their man papa. He say now Yoruba man, he tell Yoruba man we don't help man they load since so. He say yeah Yoruba man can't get problem now. The Yoruba man just go meet in husband. Go tell and say, take time, oh. Be careful with this woman, may not kill your papa. The man can say, how? He can't explain to the man. Say, now the man take call him papa for do everything. Say, this marriage is over. Say, this wife even kill himself, not talk of his papa. Say, now the Yoruba man made their marriage not work. He called the Yoruba man name, I don't remember. But when they tell me all this one, me, I don't already pay her dowry now. If I catch her with something, you can't tell me something. If I catch her with something, you can't confess small confession when not reasonable waiting and one here. I was not searching for wife. I was not in search, like desperately searching for old women to marry. I don't know, say, girl, he don't go, come back. When I come, they catch and I go tell him, say, the one will be one marry me. The one will be one marry me, he can't even reach 20. If I catch him, I will say, now the one will be one marry me. The one are my suitors. Now the one will be one marry me. Rose, I'm a willing. May you go do your own finding, no, may you go to say I edit your picture, so may you go to say I edit your picture, so you do court marriage. This is another man. Church marriage. See the way you be for church marriage. Make an analyzer for people. You know, say now, some people they do court marriage before they go do church. They do church before they go do court. These are not the same person. So you see the way when she be for here. You see her here. Not be editing, no. Now the man, his bestie be this one, no. Now people when witness, whether they give them certificate, another person know. You see, the man was happy, maybe never study and well that time. See as her face full for here. So whether they engage themselves, probably I don't know if it's the same day they engage themselves, that I don't know. Maybe for the same registrar or whatever. Yes, the way I'm seeing it. After engagement. See, this one, Gregory. Now her husband be this. This is the husband she was having when her papa died. The husband not be boyfriend though. This is the husband she having when her papa died. And so all these things you are seeing, you not be burial. And now the man can't do something for his head though. And the man I can't do something for his head. So family picture. You can even send a church. If you look behind that signboard, na church or na church. Otukpo, one church like that, Otukpo. That is another man. Na three men did this. Not be boyfriend that they tell you. If I pack picture of boyfriend come outside, you go have reason to tell me, say make I enter house. Make I just go now the small picture when they left because they pack all that one, give police, make I not see anything. If I just say now make I get her time only today, make I go bring picture of boyfriend come. You go say, she na hotel this woman they stay. Make I just go bring picture of boyfriend come. Why I call her boyfriend? Because I don't have proof. But the way they kiss, the way they hold themselves, the way they everything, the way she they half naked for some pictures with the man. I don't want to call one artist name, and I not can change her for me. But I will bring picture next time and take all the artist name. When in name they say K, na be name. K, it's like they repeat the name 2 times. K. I don't want to call anybody. There I will get chance. I will bring the picture come outside and let this picture speak for you people. Alright, this is